How to private account in Pixelfed. So hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to private your account in Pixelfed. So here in Pixelfed, all you need to do is open up your Pixelfed. Once you open up your Pixelfed right here, next step you need to do is to private your account. So this is perfect for those who just started Pixelfed and you don't want any friends or whatnot added to you, or you don't want anybody finding or something right here. This is perfect for you guys. All you need to do is open up your Pixelfed. Once you open up your Pixelfed, click on the profile in the bottom right corner. Then once you're here, you will see three horizontal lines at the top right. Press on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Wait, what I'm following? Let me go check this. What? Pixelfed, dance shop, admin. I didn't follow those, but I guess they're automatically followed when I created the account. So anyways, click on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. After clicking on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, you will see privacy and relationship. Press on that right there. After pressing the privacy and relationship, you will be located to your privacy settings. Here at the privacy settings, you will see account privacy. Press on account privacy right there. Here you will see private account. All you need to do is turn that on. So once you've turned that on right there, you'll say confirm. Are you sure you want to make your account private? Click on confirm. So once you turn this on, limit your post account visibility to your followers and create new follow requests. So there you go. As you can see right now, once we do that, we are now account is now private here. And there you go. And we have a lot of what do you call this filters right here, like hide followers, hide following. And there you go. You can turn that on if you want to make it much more private. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys do it. Push enjoy. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.